Hi there, my name is Wendy. Welcome to the KK Prepaid Smart Meter System. In this video, we are going to walk you through how to use the system and ensure your wallet setup is as smooth as butter. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Step 1. Accessing the system. First things first, grab the brochure you received during the presentation, or find the link sent to you via WhatsApp or SMS. To scan the QR code, you'll need a smartphone with a camera. Open the camera app, focus on the QR code, and voila! Your phone will magically open the link in your browser. If you did receive the link, just click on it and it will open your browser. You can also open the link on your computer. It works just the same. Note, on the login and register page, there's a welcome video button that will take you to the KKP YouTube channel with helpful videos just like this one. Now, click on the register button. A new window will pop up with fields to fill in. Start with your email address. Make sure it's one you remember, as you'll need it to log in later. Next, enter your meter number, the one linked to your prepaid electricity meter. You'll find this number on the sticker attached to the meter keypad. Remember, it's the electricity meter number you need, not the water meter number. Then, fill in your name and surname in the correct fields. Name goes in the name field and surname in the surname field. Simple, right? Add your mobile number, followed by your identity or passport number. Now, access the drop-down menu and select whether you're an owner or a tenant. An owner and tenant can have a smart wallet for the same unit at the same time. This is in case an owner wants to cover some of the charges for the unit. For the final fields, create a password and verify it. Make sure it's unique, with at least 6 characters, including upper and lower case letters, and a special character. For example, password. But don't use that exact one. It's got to be unique to you. Once everything's filled out, click Save. If there's an error, the app will let you know. Step 3. Logging in to the smart meter software. Click the link you received or scan the QR code to open the link again. To make things easier, add the link as a shortcut on your home screen. On an Apple device, click the Share button and choose Add to Home Screen. On Android, find the Setting button, which is 3 dots either on the top right or bottom middle of your phone screen. Then select Add to Home Screen. With the shortcut on your home screen, click it to open the Smart Meter software link. Click the blue Login button and fill in your registered email and password. If you forget your password, don't worry, you can reset it here too.